Hey everybody, welcome back to the Simple Mile. We just rolled into Abbot, Maine, right in the heart of ATV country. With the colors of the leaves starting to change, we ask ourselves, is this where fall begins? Stick around while we check out Spacious Skies Balsam Woods RV Park, a family-friendly RV park right here in the heart of Maine.
Just down the road from the camp is Piper Pond. The colors are just starting to show, and we even caught some local wildlife enjoying the water.
Get this up, we'll get a picture of them doing it.
All right. Oh, that'd be great, yeah. That's as close as I can get to them. Yeah.
Just right there. They're just playing. They ain't splashing too much now. Huh? That one is.
You see a turkey?
I just see something right down here.
You gonna walk down there and see?
Ah, how close that's going to be. Pick up that.
Yeah, why not? I'll walk behind you. That way if it's a...
It gets me first.
it gets you, I'm gonna turn around and run. Take the camera. See if I can stay down. Is there turkeys?
Daniel and I were taking a stroll down the nature trail at the campground, and we got some unexpected visitors.
Really nice. I'll tell you what, super family oriented. They've got playgrounds and swimming pools and jumpy things. They had last night. They had a outdoor cinema.
They did.
Playing some Nickelodeon somethings, and yeah, I'll tell you what. Honestly, it's for kids. You can't beat it. And then. And for you guys that like the ATVs, this is like an ATV heaven.
There is a lot of ATVs here.
Yeah, they have trails and stuff like this for side-by-sides and ATVs. And so we've seen a couple guys on dirt bikes. And they actually have gasoline pumps that you can fill them up. And they have an ATV wash station. You can wash them off. So, yeah, if you're looking for a place to bring your ATVs and camp and whatever, man, this is the spot for you.
Yeah, and I think they have seasonal packages too, where you could come here and stay for the season.
Mm-hmm.
So I think they do close down the 12th of October. Is that what
I think
they
so.
said?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And they open back up in May.
May, I believe they said. Yeah.
Abbot, Maine has been a perfect stop off for us in search of fall. Quaint little towns, lots of trees, changing color, ponds, wildlife. We couldn't ask for more. Stick around, stay with us, because next stop we're heading to Vermont. So we hope to see you there.